Hey everybody, and welcome back to 7-Minute AE Tutorials. I wanted to make this video today because it's something you will definitely want to check out. As a lot of you know, Envato Elements is one of my sponsors. Well, they're doing something unheard of, something they've never done before, as far as I know. Right now, Envato Elements is offering a free 7-day trial. Now, this is significant. I use Envato Elements all the time in a ton of my projects. You get 7 full days of free, unlimited downloads. You must use the link in the description below to get this special offer. We're talking templates, stock video, stock photography, fonts, sound effects, music, website templates, anything and everything you could possibly want or need, you can get now for free for 7 full days. I've used Envato Elements in quite a few tutorials where I taught you guys how to use essential animation tools, like the roto brush and inverting alpha mats. We also created a presentation template using stock video from Envato Elements and added in some super cool customized text boxes. We also created customized transitions using Envato Elements stock video as our source media. You won't find the variety you need to make these projects happen anywhere other than Envato Elements. Let's face it, Envato Elements is basically the Netflix of creative content. They have the most affordable access to the best and largest library of content for you. Envato Elements is the subscription you must have. If you can only afford one subscription, this is the one. In terms of value for the money, nothing beats Envato Elements. Like I said, I use them all the time. Check out the link in the description below. You must use that link in order to get your free 7 days of unlimited downloads from Envato Elements. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Consider joining our channel in order to get access to special announcements just like this. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you next time.